This is Todd back in the JCR garage. Today we're going to be installing our overhead MOLLE panel in our 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Included in the kit is the actual MOLLE panel itself, 4 metric button heads with washers, and 2 standard button heads with nuts. Okay, so the first step is to remove your freedom panels. As you can tell, we've already done that. We're going to assume you know how to flip the latches and get them out. The second step is we need to remove this plastic panel to get to the bolts back here. So there's 3 T25 screws, super easy to get out. Okay, once you have them out, go ahead and pull your panel down, and you'll see that there's just some little metal clips in there. We recommend go ahead and unplug your light and just pull it out. That way you can just set this off to the side for the moment. Okay, now the next step is to use a T40 Torx and remove the 4 bolts that hold the stock latches here. We are going to need to drill 2 holes up here for the front of our MOLLE panel. So to save error, we're going to go ahead and pull this panel down. It's just clipped in, so you might have to kind of pull down and back. You don't have to pull it all the way down on the edges. We mainly want to make sure we're not hitting any wires or sensors or breaking through the plastic. So that's our main concern, is just to pull that down. To be able to tell the location of where we need to drill the holes in the front, we're going to go ahead and install the panel. You're going to want the bend to go up, and on the back side here, you're going to want to make sure the cutout faces up. So insert the front up in first, and then hold it up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and install the latches with the stock hardware back in. Now, if you don't happen to have the Freedom Top and you don't have these bolts, go ahead and use the supplied metric button head bolts. Once you have one in, it should hold itself up, and go ahead and get the other 3 started. Okay, once you have all 4 bolts loosely installed, go ahead and center the panel where you're going to want it to end up, and then tighten at least 2, if not all 4 of them. Okay, once you have those tight, now you'll know exactly where you need to drill the front 2 holes. Okay, now to drill through the holes, we recommend using a center punch. These automatic center punches work great. Okay, now once you have your center punch, we recommend starting with a smaller drill bit to go ahead and get the hole started. Okay, once you have the small hole, go ahead and step it up to a 3/8. Okay, once you have your hole drilled, go ahead and clean up your metal shavings, and then we'll put the bolts in. Go ahead and take your serrated nut on the underside, and then the shorter of the button heads, the standards, go ahead and start that, and do the same on the other side here. Okay, and then these are going to be a 3/16 Allen wrench. Now you might have to hold the serrated nut on the bottom until the teeth bite in, but go ahead and snug that up. Okay, once you have everything bolted in, we're going to need to go ahead and just snap our panels back in. Now these are angled a little bit in the back here, so you're going to want to make sure and try to get them at the proper angle to get back in. Okay, go ahead and plug your light back in. And then we are going to go ahead and snap this back up into place. Okay, then we just need to put the 3 Torx screws back in. And then you either need to reinstall your Freedom Top or enjoy the wind through your hair. And that's it, installation is complete of our overhead MOLLE panel. If you have any questions on this or any of our other products, don't hesitate to give us a call at 269-353-1184 or shoot us an email at info@jcroffroad.com.